Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest everything they want, while others sit there struggling and waiting for their manifestations to show up what feels like forever? Well, what if I told you there's actually a simple method that not only speeds up your manifestation, but actually gives you concrete proof that it's working and it's on the way. So today I'm gonna share something pretty revolutionary that is changing the manifestation game with a new method that I call the 3-3-3 method. This powerful and proven system will show you exactly how to confirm your manifestations are in progress even before the big results arrive. And this 3-3-3 method isn't another visualization technique or affirmation practice. It's actually a strategic framework that creates a direct feedback loop between your subconscious and what you're trying to manifest. And it's really easy to use. And the best part is that you'll actually start seeing this verification signs within days, not weeks, not months, days. And I discovered this method through years of working through manifestation principles and noticing what was missing from traditional approaches. I have seen so many people get frustrated because they're doing everything right seemingly, but then they don't actually get results or they can't tell anything is actually changing or happening. So that's kind of when I realized that there was actually a missing piece. A tangible system that bridges the gap between setting an intention and seeing the final result. This 3-3-3 method is a game changer in your approach to manifestation, especially if you approach it really logically and like to see evidence and results. So let's get into it, but really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into this video and I teach you the 3-3-3 method, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you are going to be trying these out. It takes just one quick second, and then let's get right into it. Now, here's the thing. Manifestation typically isn't an instant process. It's more like planting a seed and watching it grow. But unlike gardening, where you can actually physically see the sprout breaking through the soil, knowing that it's growing or knowing that it's happening, manifestation often happens behind the scenes at first, which is what feels so frustrating about it. And this is why so many people give up too soon. They set an intention, they don't see immediate results, and therefore they assume it's not working, they give up, they move on and go right back to living life in the same way. But what they don't realize is that their manifestation is actually in progress. They just don't have the system for tracking and verifying it yet, so they can't see it yet. I mean, think about it like ordering something online. You don't place the order and then sit there wondering if it's ever going to arrive. You place the order, you get a confirmation email, you get a shipping notification, sometimes a tracking number, and these verification points give you confidence that your package is on the way. Even though you don't know what airplane it's on, how it's gonna show up, it hasn't arrived at your doorstep yet, but you know because you've seen these verification signs. This is how the 3-3-3 method works. It creates this kind of tracking system for your manifestations. And it establishes specific verification checkpoints to show you that your manifestation is in motion, which builds your confidence, which actually accelerates your whole manifestation process itself. Because when you can see evidence that something is working, your belief kind of strengthens and it creates even bigger, faster results because you've got your mind on board. So let's dive into how this 3-3-3 method works and how you're going to use it. And the name for this comes from its 3 core components: 3 types of verification signs, 3 levels of confirmation, and 3 days of active tracking. Don't worry, it sounds overwhelming. It's not, doesn't take long at all. So here is the step-by-step process. Step 1 is to set your primary intention. Start by getting clear on what you want to manifest, but focus on the essence rather than all of the excessive, unnecessary details. For example, instead of saying, I want to manifest exactly $10,437 by next Tuesday, instead of that, it's going to be more along the lines of, I receive overflowing abundance, or I have more money than I could ever possibly spend. So these are just very kind of rough draft examples. Use what works best for you, but try and keep it more general, but something still connected to you. And to make this even more simple and easy, what you're going to manifest should give you the one word feeling of what having it would provide. Saying something like $10,437 feels like a number or an amount of printed paper versus the feeling it would provide. That is a thing, not a feeling. You're not getting excited about numbers or printed paper. You're getting excited about the freedom, the relief, the fun that having that $10,436 would provide. Do you see the difference? Get to the feeling, not the actual physical thing. And the more natural and aligned that this intention you're setting feels, the more effectively that this verification system will work. So step 2, let's create your verification framework. This is where the trackable magic begins. This is where you're getting your shipping confirmation. You're going to establish a framework for recognizing the signs that your manifestation is in motion, that you're making progress, that something is happening. So what you're going to do is take out a piece of paper and create a grid with 3 columns labeled external signs, internal signs, and synchronistic signs. So again, a grid with 3 columns. External signs, internal signs, synchronistic signs. These are going to be your 3 types of verification signs. So the external signs are going to be things that you observe physically in your environment. It could be conversations. It could be opportunities that show up. It could be new resources showing up, or maybe even physical objects related to your manifestation. So anything going on in your external reality, anything showing you signs of your manifestation or signs of that feeling that you chose, that is going to be your external signs. Now, your internal signs are things that you're going to feel, shifts in your thoughts, shifts in your feelings or your intuition, or maybe even your energy. Maybe those sudden inspirations start increasing, or a sense of confidence, or maybe even a sense of peace or ease around your desire. The feelings within, the intuitive hits, everything going on internally, those are going to be your internal signs. And your synchronistic signs are meaningful coincidences, repeating numbers, maybe perfect timing events, or what are the chances moments, all connected to your manifestation. Those really kind of fun little surprises where you couldn't have made it up, it just kind of came together the way it happened. Angel numbers are a great sign of this, where you see 111, 222, 333, or repeated numbers like that. So now you have your grid. Now, step 3, you're going to use this grid for 3 days to track. So over the next 3 days, I want you each day to fill out the 3 columns you made for external signs, internal signs, and synchronistic signs. It's very simple. It requires you to just fill it out each day, but it requires you to actively be searching for what is working, which is so important when it comes to manifestation, and so many people miss this step. Because so often you are so trapped and stuck in your current reality that you don't even look for the signs, or you ignore them, or signs that things are coming out to like in your favor, you just completely don't see or miss. You get so stuck in what is that you lose sight of what could be, and then you get frustrated and you stay trapped in this cycle, and it's frustrating. So using this grid requires you to commit to seeing the signs that it's working out. It requires you to take the headphones off, take the sunglasses off, and be aware of what's going on around you. And it keeps you accountable in not falling back into old holding patterns of being stuck in the lens of what is. Because like I always say, the universe is always communicating with you, but it's up to you to actually listen. Sometimes people ask for signs and then they just don't even look for them and they don't see them. So tune into the guidance, the messages, the signs. Notice how you're feeling. Notice what's going on in your reality. Notice those synchronistic moments where all of a sudden you're feeling something and you look at it and see the clock and see an angel number. This requires you to tune into your intuition like never before. So tune in to the guidance, the messages, the signs, and in doing that, you are going to connect with your intuition, which will then provide the right next steps, the right next moves to make so that you can receive exactly what you want. The 333 method doesn't just show you how your manifestation is working. It actually accelerates the process by keeping you aligned and confident and open to opportunities and open to the signs going on around you. The power lies in the ability to bridge the gap between faith and evidence. And when you can see that concrete proof that your manifestation is in progress, your doubt kind of dissolves. Your energy aligns more powerfully with your desire. And in turn, your manifestation accelerates. It transforms manifestation from this mysterious kind of uncertain process into a clear and trackable journey with verification checkpoints along the way. And that confidence and clarity make all the difference in your manifestation success. So I highly encourage you to give this 333 method a try this week. Create your verification grid, activate the system, and watch as the signs begin to appear. I think you'll be amazed at how quickly you start collecting evidence that your manifestations are actually working. It tends to shock people because they're like, oh wow, it really is working. I just never noticed these things. And when you see those signs appearing on your grid, come back and share the evidence, share your comments. I wanna know what's going on for you. I love reading through results. I pretty much read through every comment. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you wanna learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.